Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Food Thesis. This video is about how to prepare Mushroom Kale Quinoa Bowl. These are the ingredients for the preparation of Mushroom Kale Quinoa Bowl. Now let's begin. Pre-soak 1 cup of quinoa for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, boil the quinoa. For 1 cup of quinoa, you need 2 cups of water. Boil it for around 10 to 15 minutes until 70% of the water evaporates. Next, let's prepare the mushroom. Heat the pan and then add 1 teaspoon of butter. Then add the garlic, and when the garlic turns golden in color, add the mushroom. For this preparation, I have used white button mushroom. Sauté the mushroom under low simmer. Then when the mushroom started leaving the water, add salt and pepper and cover it and cook it under low flame. Sauté them until they turn light brown in color. Next, let's see the preparation of quinoa. For this, I have added 1 teaspoon of butter and some cumin seed. Then I have added half bowl of diced carrot and half bowl of beans, and then again mix them properly. When the carrot and beans are done, I have added broccoli and again I mix them properly. After this, add salt and mix the vegetable well. Then add the chopped spring onion and again mix it well. For this quinoa dish, you can add any type of vegetable, whatever you like. In the last, I have added the fresh peas and cover the lid and again let it cook under low simmer. After the vegetables are done, add the boiled quinoa and mix it properly and cook it under low simmer for some time and then cover it and keep it aside. Now for the kale preparation, cut them and wash them very properly and then saute them with butter and garlic and some pepper and salt. The preparation time for this crispy kale is around 5 minutes. You can sprinkle some sesame seeds for more crispiness. The mushroom kale quinoa dish is all ready to eat. This dish is very nutritious and is low in calorie and is full of plant-based protein. And this dish is very easy to prepare and you can easily prepare it for your quick lunch and for tiffin, and you can easily prepare it for your lazy Saturdays and Sunday. If you like this dish, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Food Thesis. Thank you.